Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izzah Izzati binti Jalil. My metric number is 1182636C. Today, I want to present about my topic, which is application Arabic Braille in our research methodology. And I'm from Group Tutorial TQB11. In this slide, or in this PowerPoint, the items of need in our research methodology, which is research gap, problem statement, research objective, research question, and research methodology. First, I want to show about my research gap. Okay, this is our research gap. Okay, based on the information from 20 literature review, it can be concluded that most applications are teaching Arabic Braille that use signed Braille documents such as Braille number cell. And for the past research, some of the studies give few versions of learning Arabic Braille. And the purpose of this research is to develop an interactive application to learn Arabic Braille with the latest version of the lessons that allow learners learn the lessons from anywhere at any time that they want without burdening them to attend the class physically. And now problem statement. Okay. According to the World Health Organization (WHO) statistic, there are estimated 114 million people worldwide who have limited vision and 45 million people who are blind or visually impaired. And one of the most significant challenges for the visually impaired people face are inadequate facilities and materials to learn in terms of education. And to overcome the problem statement, first is the Muslim community must play a role in helping by providing guidance and guiding this special group, especially in learning Quran. And the purpose of this study is to develop an interactive application for people to learn Arabic Braille with the most recent version of the lessons in order to teaching visually impaired people to recite Quran. Next is research question and research objective. Okay, research objective. First is to find the training-based learning effects on application Arabic Braille in exceptional person. Okay, in our research objective, I include 3 research objectives. First is to find the training-based learning effects on application Arabic Braille in exceptional person. Second, to interpret the result of training-based learning of the application Arabic Braille and to promote the Arabic Braille literacy in the community. And third is to develop the quality standard of Arabic Braille through training-based learning of the application Arabic Braille and to evaluate its effects in books on Arabic Braille and worldwide known Unified Arabic Braille Science. Next is research question. Okay, I put the research question is only 3, which is first is how to find the training-based learning effects of application Arabic Braille in exceptional person. Second, how to interpret the results of training-based learning of the application Arabic Braille and to promote the application Arabic Braille literacy in the community. And third, how to develop the quality standard of Arabic Braille through training-based learning of the application Arabic Braille and to evaluate its effects in books on Arabic Braille and worldwide known Unified Arabic Braille. And for its methodology. Okay, in my research, I only include is qualitative and quantitative. Okay, in our qualitative, we put the type of research approved and design, research sample, instrument, data collection method, data analysis, and type of analysis. Okay, type of research approach, we only write the provide the justification, which is qualitative research method can be characterized by the aims of the research which relate to the understanding of some aspect of social life and others. Research sample, I only put the field research undertaken in the initial study utilizing an interview instrument. Okay, teachers from a special education school who teach the subject were interviewed. And instrument is, I only take the semi-structured interview question, QBC, assessment test, and open-ended questionnaires. Data collection method, which is face-to-face interviews with Islamic education. Okay, and data analysis method, I only obtain all the information needed to meet the research objectives and research question created. Okay, in the field study, interviewing and audio recording were employed to collect data. Okay, next, uh, type of analysis. Type of analysis is the result of an online face-to-face interview. Okay, with Islamic education teachers. Okay, next, quantitative. Quantitative is same with the items of qualitative, but quantitative in type of research is means type of study in which the researcher tries to understand a phenomenon by carefully planning and regulating data gathering and analysis, which is a data set of numbers and figures is frequently used to represent quantitative data. Research sample is survey research, experimental research, correlation research, and ex post factor research. An instrument is several instruments in this study to collect data and information for the investigation. Semi-structured interview question, QBC, assessment test, open-ended questionnaire, and data collection. All the data was scientifically analyzed using SPSS statistic software in the quantitative research approach. And data analysis method, we use determine the effectiveness of QBC animation graphic courseware. And the researcher used an experimental research strategy to obtain a result using a pre-test and post-test experimental methodology. And type of analysis, uh, same the data analysis method, which is descriptive analysis. Independent test was used to assess the difference in score between two groups, QBC and non-QBC graphic. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your lending ears and eyes to my our presentation. Thank you.